Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the quiet mode on your Canon TS8351 series. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the Canon print app, as you guys can see here. Now let's go over to the printer details. And in those details, we need to go to printer information. Now it has to connect to the printer, so we need to wait a couple of seconds. And now we need to leave the printer status with this arrow right here. And then we need to go over to the device settings. And here go to quiet setting. Now as you guys can see, you can enable the quiet mode right here and then simply click OK. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.